Synchronize updates between Basecamp and Teamwork automatically. Yes guys, in this video you are going to learn how you can connect two type of project management applications together such that you can use both of them simultaneously and use the features of both of these applications simultaneously. So here we have taken the example of Basecamp and Teamwork, and let me show you how this automation is going to look like. So this will be the flow of this automation. Here in Basecamp, whenever you create a task to do, the same task will be created in Teamwork application as well automatically. So you need not to manually create a task here and then come here on Teamwork and create a same task manually again. So it will surely save a huge amount of time of yours, and you can use both of these applications effectively, and it will surely improve your efficiency. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge in just few steps. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, first of all, you need to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, log in and reach here. And here you have to create a workflow of automation, and to do that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Basecamp to Teamwork automation. Okay, so you can give this name accordingly, and after giving the name, just click here on this create button, and you can see a workflow is getting created here like this. And here you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation is based on these two things. So trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow. Okay, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new task or a to-do task created in Basecamp application, and the action would be to create a task in Teamwork as well. Okay, so first of all, set up your trigger. So from this, choose app field, search for Basecamp application, which is our trigger application. Select it. Okay, and the trigger event would be a new to do. Okay, so it will trigger when a new to do is created. Okay, then click on connect, and from this these options, select add new connection and click on connect with Basecamp. Okay, and it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in here, it is just asking to provide the access to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. So just click on yes, I'll allow access, and you can see the authorization is successful here, and we are connected with Basecamp. Now you have to select your account of Basecamp and the project in which you are working. So this is my account. Okay, this is the AR account. Okay, so you can select this account here. Actually, the Pabbly Connect is our account. Select it, and the project name under this Pabbly Connect account is this marketing project. Okay, so we are working in this marketing project. Select this project from this list. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will start showing waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. This means, guys, you have to create a test or a demo to do task here, and we are going to capture the data of that to do task here in our workflow. Okay, so here I am creating a to do. By clicking on add a to do, you can create a new task here. You can provide a description here. So let me provide the description as new integration. You can assign this task to anyone in your team. You can notify about this task to your team members. You can select the due date of this task, or you can if you have no due dates, you can select no due date, and you can add extra notes here also. So in the notes I am putting here, we need a new integration between Basecamp. Okay, so I'm creating a demo task here, Basecamp with Basecamp and teamwork. Okay, right, and I'm clicking on add this to do here. So you can see a new task or a to do is created here in Basecamp like this. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this task, and here you can see we have received the response here. So it is showing us the ID, the recording ID, and this is the recording title. So creation date and time is we got here as well. Okay, and here you can see all other details related to this task as the project's name, okay, and the account name, and the person assigned to is here. Okay, and here you can see all the details, but guys, you can notice we do not have the details of the node that we have attached in the to-do list. Okay, so here in this to-do, let me open this, we have this title and all these things, but we do not got the details of this note that I have added here. Okay, so the note is not here. So to fetch the details of the node that you have attached in the to-do, you can use this actions tab, and let's make the connection with Basecamp again. Search for Basecamp, and now I'm going to use an action event which will fetch the details of the nodes. So the action event is get to do details. This one, get a to do details. Select this, click on connect. And now you can use existing connection because we have already made a connection in the trigger with Basecamp. So just select this existing connection option and click on save, and we'll be connected again like this. Okay, now it is asking for the project ID and the to-do ID. So to find this project ID, you can open your project in Basecamp. This is my project. I have opened this marketing project. And when you open your project, you will see the this URL in the search bar. And at the end of this URL string, you will find this number here. This one, 2717900. So this is our project ID. So just copy this project ID from here and paste it here like this. Okay. And for the to-do ID, you can use this first tab where we have got this ID. Let me show you. So here we have received this ID, which is this recording ID label. So here is the to-do ID. So you can use this label here in the second step. So to map the ID here, just click on it, and from this drop down, you will see this Basecamp step, and from here only, you can map this recording ID label like this. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will show you the details related to the to-do task you created in Basecamp. And here you will find the remaining things that you didn't receive in the first step, like the notes we have added. And in the description label, you can see we got the details of our note. Okay, this is the note I have added in my task, and we got this here. Okay, now we have received this label, but you can see we have this HTML tags attached here in this task details or notes details. Okay, so we can remove this HTML tags by using a feature by Pabbly. Let me show you. Just click here on this plus icon, and from this actions tab, search for text formatter. Okay, and here you have to select in the action event this basic formatting of the text. Select this, click on connect. Now it is asking for the string. So here is the string. Okay, so map this label here in this string field. Just click here, and from the second Basecamp step, map this label, which is the description label. So here you will find this description label. Here it is. Here is the description label. Map it. Okay. And from this transform field, you have to select this option. Let me show you, remove HTML tags. Okay, use this option and then click on save and send test request. And in the result label, you will get the notes details as this without any HTML tags attached. So it's a plain text now. Okay. Now guys, I want to create the same task in Teamwork application, and for that to happen, click here on this plus icon, and from the Actions tab, choose Teamwork. This is Teamwork guys, select it, and in the action event, select create task option, click on connect, and from this window select add new connection. Then here it will ask for the subdomain's name. So when you open your Teamwork's dashboard, you will get the URL. Let me show you. This is my Teamwork applications dashboard. And here in this top search bar, you can see we have this URL. Let me just copy this whole URL. And I'm pasting this URL here. Now from this URL, you just need this string or name between this leading HTTP address and .teamwork.com. So you have to remove this HTTP address and you have to remove this .teamwork.com and all other things. Remove this also. And this is our subdomain pabbly2.eu. Okay, so you can enter your subdomain accordingly. Then click on connect with Teamwork, and that will bring you to the login window like this. Click on login. Okay, so login is successful and we'll be connected with Teamwork in just few moments. You can see we are now connected, and here you can select your project in which you want to create the task. So I have these two projects. Let me show you these two projects. So let me select this one, Pabbly Connect project, from this drop down. Okay, you can select the list that you have in this project. So I have this to-do list in this project. Select the list. Now in the content and the description, you can use the things that you have received here in the first and the third step. So in the content, I'm just clicking here, and from this first step, I'm going to map the title of the task like this. And in the description, I'm going to use this third step where we have removed the HTML text from the notes details. Okay, so you'll find this result label here, map it. That will act as the description. If you have the start date and the due date, you can map these things also. I'm just leaving these things as these are not compulsory things, but if you want to map it, you can map it. And who is responsible for this task, you can select the name of the team person from here. So I'm selecting the name of the team member. If you want to notify the team member about it, make it yes. You can select the priority of the task from here. You can enter any tag also to this task, okay, from this tags option. Now you can check your connection with Teamwork by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new task created here in this to-do list. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see it is showing this status. Okay, and let me refresh this page here, and let's see what if we got a new task created here or not. And here you can see we got a new task added here like this, showing new integration, and when you click on it, it will show you the details. So this is the description. We need a new integration between Basecamp and Teamwork, and this is how it will look in real time. So this is the same details we have mapped here, and you can see the tag here attached. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, and these are the things we have mapped here. The recording title is the same, the result is the same, and everything is the same. So guys, we are done setting up this automation, and here you have to connect your trigger in the Basecamp like this, and after that you have to fetch the test details of a test task created from Basecamp. After that you can fetch the notes details of your task from this option by using this action event get a to-do details. After that you can use text formatter to remove HTML text from the description you got in the second step. And finally you can connect Teamwork to create a task in any project. Okay, So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you create a new to-do here in any of the project that you have selected in Basecamp, a new task will be created here in Teamwork application automatically. Okay. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.